As educators, it's our job to provide opportunities for students.
The Bryant School District has made it their mission to prepare students for college and careers by helping them develop the knowledge, skills, abilities, and tools to be successful.
By exploring their interests and matching those with academics, students learn more about themselves and connect learning to the future.
Being able to go to Bryant and to meet teachers and be friends with the principal who knows the superintendent, and the superintendent might know somebody else above them, it provides the opportunity for you to meet these other people who you usually probably wouldn't meet unless you went to a school kind of like this. So Bryant, they do a really good job at paying attention to each individual student here and talking to you about your goals and what you want to do and helping you achieve those goals. Well, I want to go into journalism as a career, and being able to be a part of yearbook staff my freshman year and then be on newspaper staff for 10th through 12th grade and become one of the print editors my senior year is help teach me what you're supposed to do as a journalist, how to do a proper interview, how to talk to people, how to make connections with other people. So being able to be on the staff here and being able to go out to competitions and win things and meet other people and see other papers and other yearbooks has helped expand my knowledge so I know what to do. I tried out for 9th grade yearbook just to see if I could make it, just for something to do, and I did, and I loved it a lot. So I tried out again to be on the high school, the 10th through 12th grade yearbook staff, and the advisor at the time, Margaret Sorrows, called me in and told me that I didn't have what it takes to be on the yearbook staff, but said I should probably try out for newspaper. So I was like, I don't want to do a newspaper. I don't even know we had a newspaper. And I was like, okay, whatever, I'll try. So I did, and I'm glad I did because now I love it so much and it's a passion of mine.